Everyone needs a good night's sleep, especially our kids and babies. They feel nervous and scared in the dark. Something can create an ideal sleep environment. What's it? Kids are always curious with newest and colorful items, whether when they are 1-year-old, 5-year-old, or even at 10. Take off outer lampshade. Kids going in a colorful starry sky start rotating and dancing. A star projector can also be a nightlight by taking off the inner lampshade. A lanyard helps you easily bring it anywhere. Set up the time, or just leave it be on all night. Cover the quilt, close the door, let the nightlight be there with them.
With Big Red Rooster, and I would like to introduce you to our baby sound machine. So this is what the product looks like in our packaging, and then this is what the product looks like outside of the packaging. So this is what the sound machine looks like. The speaker is on the front. It is operated by 3 AA batteries, not included. The battery compartment is on the bottom. It can also operate with an adapter. So this is the adapter, and it is included. The adapter plug-in is on the back. So let me show you the features. This is the on-off button, and it will illuminate. You also have the option of setting a timer. So you can either leave the sound machine on all night long, or you can set a timer. So as you can see, there is a 15-minute, 30-minute, 60-minute timer. So let's press for the 15 minutes. That means that the sound machine will stay on for 15 minutes and then shut off automatically. If I press again, that means that the timer is set for 30 minutes. It will be set for 30 minutes and then turn off on its own. Let's say you want 60 minutes. So we press again. So that means the sound machine will stay on for 60 minutes and will automatically shut off. To simply turn the timer off, you press again. As you can tell, none of the lights are illuminated. Beside of that are the volume controls. So this is volume up and volume down. So there are 6 different sounds. There's the white noise, which you can hear now, lullaby, rockabye baby, ocean, heartbeat, and twinkle twinkle little star. So let's go through all of those sounds. So let me turn it up a little so you can hear. This is your white noise, lullaby, ocean, rockabye baby, heartbeat, and twinkle twinkle little star. So again, to turn off, you simply press the on-off button and it turns off. So once again, we'd like to introduce you to our baby sound machine and welcome to Big Red Rooster.
Hello! Let's set up your Luma surround Wi-Fi system. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with fast, secure Wi-Fi you'll love. To get started, you'll need a smartphone, the network cable and power adapter that come in the box with your Luma, as well as your existing modem. Now download the Luma app from the App Store. Create your account, and then answer a few questions so Luma can start customizing your network. First, tell Luma how many Lumas you'd like to set up. Then tell Luma what kind of home you have, a single family, apartment or condo, or townhouse or other, and how many floors. This will help Luma create the perfect home network. Next, tell Luma where your modem is located. Plug Luma into your modem using the network cable and connect Luma to power. Now, restart your modem. Once you restart your modem, the light ring will spin blue as it's working to create your Wi-Fi network. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. A moment of zen, brought to you by your friends at Luma. The light ring will blink green to let you know your new surround Wi-Fi network has been created. From there, just follow the app as it shows you where to place the other Lumas for optimal performance. Now that they're set up, these powerful little Lumas will immediately start working together to create your outrageously fast, ultra-secure surround Wi-Fi network. That's wall-to-wall fast Wi-Fi. The Luma app makes controlling your network as easy as the internet makes everything else. And with built-in network security, plus a content control right in the app, you'll never have to worry about your network again. This is the future of Wi-Fi you were promised. Enjoy it. Everywhere.
What is Color Muse? Color Muse works with an app on your iPhone or Android to scan and match colors. Just place Color Muse on a surface and press Scan on the app. The app will show a list of the best color matches to products. In this case, the app is matching Sherwin-Williams paint. Color Muse can match many other paint brands as well, and products such as flooring, textiles, laminate, furniture, even apparel and shoes. The Color Muse device is $59 and the app is free. Color Muse can tell you the color in a variety of notations such as RGB, hex, lab, and others. It can accurately digitize colors you see in real life, such as magazines and products. Color Muse can tell you the best color match or help select coordinating colors. Color Muse app allows you to save colors you like into custom palettes. You can even take photos as notes to help you remember. You can share your palettes via most social media or via private web link to a colleague or client. For more information, please go to www.colormuse.io or simply search Color Muse on Google.